Greetings, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to be here today to introduce the recipe for custard checker cookies. These delightful cookies are not only a feast for the taste buds but also a visual delight. This recipe involves creating slice and bake cookies that are remarkably simple to make if you follow my guidance. These cookies have a wonderful buttery flavor and effortlessly melt in the mouth. As promised, the procedure is straightforward and easy to grasp. Allow me to walk you through the steps. In the bowl, whisk the butter for 2 minutes, then combine the sugar and beat them together until the sugar melts and blends thoroughly with the butter. Include vanilla essence and blend for 1 minute until a smooth mixture forms. In a small bowl, crack an egg and beat it thoroughly. Incorporate it into the beaten butter and blend until well combined. In a different bowl, sift the flour to remove any lumps, then sift in the custard powder. Add baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and mix these ingredients together until well combined. Pour the flour into the butter and blend them together until they are just combined. Place the dough onto a work surface and knead it thoroughly. Cut the dough into 2 equal portions. In one portion, incorporate cocoa powder and blend it thoroughly. With a rolling pin, form each half of the dough and cut into rectangles, aiming to make both as similar in size and shape as you can. Slice each log lengthwise to create 6 long strips from each block. Trim the edges to achieve perfect shapes lengthwise. Brush egg white on the strips to stick them together. Then arrange the strips side by side in an alternating manner. Layer the strips on top of each other to shape the dough into a square log, measuring 2 inches in height and 8 inches in length. Wrap with plastic wrap. Place it in the refrigerator to cool, which will facilitate the slicing process for making cookies. Allow it to refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours. Take the log out of the refrigerator. Using a sharp knife, cut the dough into small pieces and transfer them to a baking tray. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges begin to take on a light golden color and the centers feel firm. Take the cookies out of the oven and let them cool completely before transferring them to a cookie jar. You can store these in an airtight container for a maximum of 10 days, or they can be frozen for up to a month. I truly appreciate your viewership. I sincerely hope you have enjoyed the recipe. If you do, I encourage you to give it a try and share your thoughts in the comments section. Your feedback holds great value for me. Many thanks for taking the time to visit. Dear friends, kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Please stay tuned, as I will be returning shortly with yet another delightful recipe to share. Wishing you a joyful baking. Until then, take care and bye for now.